most important message of Christmas begins with a promise. An angel came to Mary, not to a queen or a ruler, but to a humble young woman chosen by God. Gabriel delivered the message that she would give birth to Jesus Christ, the Son of God, sent to bring salvation and hope to humanity. Mary listened, she believed, and with courage, she accepted her calling. Through her faith, the Messiah entered the world, not in glory, but in humility. That night, a child was born who would change the course of history, teach love, forgiveness, and compassion, and bring light into the darkness. Christmas is the moment when hope took human form, and through Mary's yes, God's promise was fulfilled.